Good morning, folks. Hope you're doing good. It's a rocking morning on the Dalal Street. Stocks going up and down everywhere. So I just wanted to discuss something different today. Actually, I just wanted to discuss a long-term portfolio which I've been handling, and it's a very model. It's a model portfolio, guys. It's an ideal portfolio. Look at the portfolio. Look at the kind of shares he has. That we have accumulated over the years. HDFC Twins must have shares in the portfolio, guys. There's a bit of pharma. We've got Ajanta Pharma. We've got Aurobindo. Aurobindo is my long time favorite. I mean, I don't suggest everything, but this is like a lot of free advice giving away, but we keep chopping and changing. So I wouldn't say just go ahead buy all these shares, but just giving you a sense of how a portfolio is built over the years. You have gas, you have our my darling doll, I should say, Reliance. This is part of every portfolio I handle, guys. Although it's light now, we've been selling this now over the course of last month. So we don't think there is too much steam left about 2,400. Rather, there's steam here, guys. There's steam here. We have some news flow today where Aditya Puri has Aditya Puri has sold shares worth 840 whooping crores. That's a big amount. Some sort of negative impact. That's why people thinking probably there's some bad news around the corner, which is why a biggie is selling so many shares. But I don't think so, guys. HDFC is much bigger than just one individual. HDFC is an institution in itself. You've got at the helm Mr. Deepak Parekh. He's like the epitome of corporate governance, along with NRN, likes of Uday Kotak. These guys run institutions, guys. So one man is not going to change the course of the bank, guys. So stack this up now. These dips are excellent opportunities for HDFC Bank, guys. Mark my words. 1200 around the corner, 1400, 1500. You're going to keep watching run. You're going to watch this run up, run up, run up, and then you're going to think, oh, I should have bought it at 1000. Oh, I should have bought it at 1200, and you'll just keep thinking rather than thinking. Do act. Thinkers don't make money, guys. People who act make money. Go for it, that's why. My one more dark horse, yeah, Maruti, what a share, guys. Let me pull up a chart. See, there are so many stuff. I've handled Zerodha accounts, I handle HDFC, I handle Sher Khan, I've handled everywhere, guys. Whatever accounts you have, do ping me, do reach me if you have. Tell your friends about this channel, subscribe to the channel, guys, to get good information, authentic information. We don't do punterbazi. We don't just buy shares and sell shares. We sit on good shares, guys. We build portfolios. We create wealth. And that's how it is done. So, talking about the short term view on the Nifty, if you talk about the Nifty, you see Nifty's taken support at 11,000, guys. So, all the haters, all those bears can take a break for now. Although the futures have fallen above 11,100, suggesting a bit of a downside, but spot is very important, guys. So let me discuss the spot. And even here I don't see much of a bearish sign, except there was one bearish candle and there are again two flat patterns. I mean, I really don't know which formation is this, but this is clearly a consolidation. 11,000 would be a major support, guys. 11,000 I don't see being breached, and we can see we can see 11,300, 400 levels. So Nifty will toggle between these levels for the near future. Big B misses father in the hospital. Oh my god. Yeah. Good. So if you guys like Big B, then one like and one subscribe for Big B himself, guys. Big B is getting well soon. So is the next. So will be the Sensex, and so will HDFC Bank, guys. My dark horse. Go for that, guys. So Wally here signing off. Let me just do a quick check on Yes Bank. You look at Yes Bank, guys. Somebody's accumulating here. 25 crores. 25 crores sold and being bought. So yeah, 12 crores sold, 12 crore bought. So somebody is buying this for sure. So this is not gonna sink, guys. Next lower circuit start nibbling. Even now you can buy a few shares. This is the price at which it was allotted. So it's very close to that. So people are buying at that price, guys. Go ahead, and next lower is a definite buy, guys. BHEL, What happened to my darling? Why is this falling? I think this is out of the band, but still falling, guys. Suggesting more downside, guys. This has broken the last support, guys. This has broken the last support. So I'm not sure about this now, but the volumes are low. I see lower volumes. So yeah, guys, 35 is the next stop, guys, major stop. But then such shares don't have stop losses, guys. These are long term bets, guys. And as we speak, 11,000 is falling. 11,000 is seems to be falling. Alarm bells, is it? Well, we can't trade on such short perspectives. But then, guys, hold on with the stop of 11,000 and keep adding such good shares to your portfolio. Wally signing off. Have a nice day.